Maintaining heritage, craftsmanship and modern fashion is a tricky one. You can have the best chefs in the kitchen, but you also need the best ingredients. This is quite an interesting process. Lance is here cutting out, this is an individual pattern and the different style of shoe that he's having. And over here, the insole, everything being cut through and completely hand-stitched. This is Stephen Fisher, AKA The Fish. Work notes all written in by hand. Same way it was done 50 years ago. Nothing really has changed here. You have the ground floor atelier, you go upstairs to the workshop, you go upstairs again to the last room. Welcome to our last room, where we obviously keep, several thousand bespoke lasts of each individual client. This is Ralph Lauren's himself. He's been a client for many years. You can see where the shoes are obviously tacked on. Anthony Bourdain, Ralph Fiennes, Daniel Day-Lewis. People like Manolo Blahnik is a client of ours. And so even shoemakers, they tend to find themselves coming to Cleverley. When you attract that level of clientele, you know you're sort of doing something right.